Hello, it's David at Autobunker headquarters. I'm sitting in front of my shelf of car-related knickknacks and I stumbled across a present I received this summer that I need to display and put on there. It is a Playmobil Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. How cool does that look? And when I found this, I had three bright ideas in a row, which is dangerous. One, better build it and display it. Two, I'll share the process. And three, how does it compare to building and living with a Lego car on the shelf up there? So stay tuned as we go back to the 1950s and we'll get this built, get our little Fangio up and running, and we'll see how it all turns out in the end. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look at the box. It's a very lovely thing. There's a nice Mercedes-Benz hologram on the edge there, and it's beautifully printed. So let's get it open and see how it goes. Wow, first impressions are absolutely great. Let's get into the box, see what we've got. Nice little instruction booklet. The actual body shell itself. Oh, and the doors are already fitted. But no headlights or anything like that. No wheels. Plenty of detail moulded into the bottom. And what's in here? Hopefully this is our list of components. It says 46 parts on the box. So let's get into this, find out what we're dealing with. So I've cast aside the exterior packaging and we're left with the main body shell, 3 bags and a rather curly set of instructions. 46 parts in total, shouldn't take too long. Let's go. So we're starting with our pit crew and peripheral items by the look of it. Bags 1 and 2, let's go. Putting stickers onto these sets is always the most stressful bit for me. I think I did a really good job on the pit board. I think I'm probably half a mil out on the information notice here. Never mind, you live and learn, don't you? It used to be the same with decals on FX kits, didn't it? Always super stressful getting these last details onto the models. Okay, first phase completed. The mechanic and the driver all put together and the pit board, and we've got the tool set as well. I think it's very much industrial engineering on this Playmobil car. He's got a hammer and a chisel, must be expecting to deal with some serious bodywork bending in the future. Next bits are for the main deal itself, the car. So let's get into the headlights and the wheels. I think that's it to go on next. Tyres were a bit of a challenge. Felt like you needed some Playmobil-sized tyre levers for those. Not sure you could do that if you had arthritic or very tiny fingers, depending which end of the toy building scale you're at in terms of age. But yeah, wheels done. Let's get them on the car. So here we go, the finished article. I really enjoyed building it. It was really sweet to clip together. I think it probably sits somewhere between the die-cast models, like the DB7 over there, and the Lego model over there. It took me, 20 minutes to build at a maximum, rather than a whole day for the Lego and 0 time at all for the die-cast. So yeah, a really nice halfway house between the two, I think. Certainly brought back some happy memories of my kids playing with Playmobil. We used to have loads of it in the house. It's all gone now, so it's nice to have some back. I love the little dark-haired Fangio. I presume it's Fangio, not Moss, sitting in the car driving it because he's got dark hair. And the mechanic as well. Well, he's just here to spectate, and the finishing flag as well. Really cool. I did notice when I was building the car that there was an offset on where the handle was on the toolbox, and that means some clever person had designed it so it actually shuts in the boot with the handle shunted more towards the center of the car, and the pit board fits in there too. So in terms of things that are going to gather dust and sit around on the shelf, that's great. You can tuck them all away. And that click on the boot is really satisfying too when it shuts. Very sweet thing. That's the Playmobil Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, unboxed, built, and installed onto the shelf. A fun, charming, simple model, super fast to do, Definitely less complicated than Lego, but quicker results. There's space for both in my life, I think, and on the shelf as well. Please let me know in the comments if you would prefer Playmobil to Lego. If you have both, it'd be great to see some pictures of the models that you've accumulated already. And Playmobil, I was very impressed. So if there's any more that you'd like to send me to feature on the channel, that would be nice. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video very soon.